This is just a short video I've done of a restoration that we're undertaking of a C670 Chamberlain Tractor, 1972 model. Bought this tractor from out at Tamworth. It's been purchased out at Weewar from a dealership out there many years ago. Still in fairly good order. It's all the parts and pieces on it are functioning. All the cab parts are on, windows are in it. It's done about, well, it's showing 4,500 hours on the tacho hour meter, so doesn't look like it's had much wear on the pedals and so on. So it's looking like that might be original hours. So we've just started to take all the pieces off it. We're going right back to bare metal most places where we can, and put an etch primer on it, and then we'll put a primer on that, and then we'll start going on with a top coat, which will be back to its original, well, as close as we can to get to the original yellow paint work of the machine when it came out of the factory in Welshpool in WA. So going to be a interesting project, something I've never done before, and yeah, we'll follow along and see how it goes. Just a bit of progress so far. We've cleaned off a lot of the paint on the bonnet. Started onto the top of the bonnet here, just getting this prepped. So a lot of old paint there, taking it back to the bare metal, and we'll give it a sand up, make it smooth again, and it's going to take a bit of work to get that back, but we'll have to degrease all the motor and clean that down. And we can start throwing some undercoat on. Bought a new piece of RHS this morning, and that's going to go on as the bumper bar, and it's going to be the full width of the front steer tyres. So that'll be nice, and we'll be able to attach our light bar and everything to that as well. So I got her out here today trying to blast a bit of grease off the motor, and so we degreased it, waited about 10-15 minutes, hit it once with the pressure cleaner. It's come up pretty good really. Cleaned up a lot of the stuff off it, but still a fair bit of stuff on here. I don't think this has ever been cleaned down probably in the life of the machine. So anyway, it's been fun. I'll look at quickly at the back. Section's not too bad. Doing it fairly well.